Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create or edit avatar or messenger. So if you're interested to create your own avatar on Facebook or messenger, it's very easy to do it. You can go to the settings and try to search preferences, and this is the avatar. You can tap it and edit avatar or make your own avatar. Here you can use this a store, hair, makeup, face, even a body you can try to create by yourself. And this is the cloth and shoes, and you can see collection here by theme like activewear, 90s minimalism, and skater core. So feel free to try to create your avatar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.